for some reason not getting it. And so that's why I'm very wary, especially someone who's telling me they're working 7 days a week from now until December without a day off. I find that extremely hard to believe. No one works 7 days a week for the next 4 months.
I got proof.
I mean, I get the letter. I mean, I get it. But nevertheless, 7 days a week for the next 4 months?
It's 13 to 1, 13 days on, 1 day off. 13 to 1.
No. I mean, like...
Sorry, we don't work, the reason we need more specificity, Mr. Burns, because as you see, we don't work in that type of
Yes, sir, yes,
industry,
sir.
so
Oh,
we
okay.
need some specificity.
Where do you live?
I live in Victoria,
Victoria, Texas. Okay, and where do you work?
or so.
Okay, and how long does it take you to get there?
Hour and a half sometimes. I stay in New Orleans. RV's in New Orleans.
Okay.
The traffic's horrible. It's one way in, one way out.
Here's the rub, though. Just if I give you a license here, it only works for Texas.
Yes, sir.
If your license is suspended here, the full faith and credit clause of the Constitution, Louisiana will also recognize a suspension there.
Yes, sir.
So you're still driving on a suspended license over there,
Yes, sir.
you know? So just because I give you a license here doesn't mean it works in Louisiana.
Yes, sir.
You know, you're gonna have to get
Clear that, we've been very...
you're gonna have to get an occupational license in Louisiana.
Yes, sir. I'm just one step at a time. It's right there, it's a good.
13 days off.
Well, but he's still blowing into me. They still, Preach-On still makes, he has his car portable, they still make him blow into the machine.
So you said car portable?
No, they still make him blow into the machine. The car is like...
You still
It's
blow into it?
stationary.
Yes,
But he has to blow. He has to start it and blow every day.
Yes,
Okay.
that's how Preach-On, it's kind of hot, but
Just
that's the only way they...
beware that no alcohol whatsoever.
I think they have a camera on it.
If I find even, and I don't care what the excuse is, I don't care if it's mouthwash, a tequila, lollipop, hair dye, if it blows hot for one reason or the other, I'm gonna yank the license in a heartbeat. I don't care what the excuse is, I will not take anything.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And don't go joyriding, you know? I'm telling you, if you're driving in Louisiana, you're still driving on a suspended license because this only covers Texas. It doesn't cover Louisiana. So you still have to go to Louisiana to get an occupational license over there. So you get pulled over, you're gonna get arrested.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
We'll have a scene and wait, right?